Welcome back to Project 500, where we teach you how to half the amount of time you spend counting your bars inventory each period by doubling your counting speed up to 500 items per hour. So for hack 9, we're going to talk about pull-out zones. What I mean by those is zones where you want to pull everything out and then count it as you put it back into its organized position. So two good examples are if you have a satellite bar which you break down into bus tubs or other containers, that would be these bus tubs would be good pull-out zones. Also, if you have a shot caller where you've got your sambuca and your rumble mints and fireball and screwball these days, those bus tubs or shot caller are often misorganized, which can slow you down when you're using shelf-to-sheet software. So the first thing to do is for each physical space, like the bus tub or the shot caller, decide exactly which 10 whatever products go there. And then second of all, decide a sensible order with, at the top of the list, the less popular products, which are put away first at the back, and the more popular products at the bottom of the list where they'll be put away front. And then when you come to inventory this area, rather than weigh or count the items one at a time, you're going to start by pulling out every single item, putting it to the side, and then we're going to weigh or count those items as we put them back. Sambuca starts at the back, and then we get to the end and we put the fireball or screwball, the most popular ones, at the front, so that we are not changing the map constantly. We are having a thought behind the map, and then we're putting the physical products back in the order to match what the map says, saving us having to rearrange our map every single time we're counting those zones. The bonus here is if you, each week when you're counting inventory, put things in a sensible order, that order will generally start to become a bit more typical, and maybe even the bartenders might even keep it in the same way, which will speed them up for service. I hope that saves you some more minutes, and as always, thanks for watching.